All right. Say hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
All right, so this is our first video
on
our Green Goblin. And this is what we take. We've been taking Green Goblin for years.
Yeah, for years, and we haven't made a video yet.
That's right. We haven't made a video, so we're going to show you how we put it together so that you can take it. It's a little tough to take. You have to kind of get used to it. But
yeah, you have to find it from YouTube. But it's hard for you to find it from YouTube, so you have to test it.
Okay. I don't think this is on anybody's YouTube. This is our own little concoction that we put together.
Well, we just made it, so it will
it will be, yes.
Yeah, it will be on YouTube.
All right. So first, we're going to take our Moringa, which is our whole food, our superfood, filled with antioxidants.
Yeah, it's for me.
Vitamins and everything, especially for this one, because she's not that. It's very hard for her to get a lot of fruits down and a lot of vegetables down. Yeah. So although she does eat vegetables in other forms, like I'll give it to her in soup and things like that, but sometimes I don't. Yeah, but it is hard for her to actually chew them and keep it down. Yeah. So this one's really important. Super beets, of course. I mean,
it's so purple.
Beets, yes, we love it. I don't think we took it because of the purple color, but she likes purple. All right?
I like it.
Self-explanatory. And this is the important thing right here. Turmeric. They have to get this down, and I try to give this to them, this Green Goblin, every day. There are days that we miss. Yeah. When we forget about it or whatever, but most of the time we take it, and the turmeric is just perfect all the way around. It's going to really protect them throughout the season. I'm not saying that they'll never get anything, but you want them to not stay sick. You don't want them to end up in the hospital. You don't want them to get bad. I mean, there's germs everywhere. So yes, they'll come out with a cough sometimes. They'll get a little fever here and there. Like she's got a teeny little cough because we missed a few days. But, this has been a really rough flu season for a lot of people. And they still go to school. So, this really...
So sometimes there was no school and I got sick.
Yeah. And this really, really protects them from staying sick for a long time. And they haven't had any type of illness in this way for about 2 years now, which is great. So I'm not telling you to not take medicine. I'm not telling you not to go to the doctor or anything like that. But this is what we do. Okay? So here we go. So put a little bit in, about a quarter teaspoon of the moringa. And then you can take a quarter teaspoon of the beets. Okay, put it in there. Okay, and then 1 pill. Now this pill right here has your turmeric and black pepper. Now I suggest when you're dealing with kids that you use the mix already, because it's a natural thing. When you put something thick in your mouth, you want to chew it. And the black pepper, when they bite into the black pepper, it may be a little strong. So just be careful with that. This one you can't taste it. It just has the ingredient of the black pepper, which is a curcumin, which is part, the turmeric is curcumin, and then you have the black pepper extract in there. So you're not going to bite into a coarse brown pepper. All right, so we're going to put the top back on here, right? Because we don't want to play with it, because we have to make just these also. This one is just for you. So this right here is just for one kid.
Yeah, I'm so bored.
And then you crack that in there. There you go. And then I know you're saying, how in the world are they going to put that in their mouth?
How not?
Mary Poppins said it perfectly. What did she say? A spoonful of sugar makes the medicine go down? And she was right. We don't use sugar, but we use the agave because it's not going to spike them like regular sugar, but honey works really well too. But
we always don't use sugar.
Yeah, but this is a little thinner than the honey, so it does make it a little bit more.
Then the slime.
So you're going to use about a teaspoon.
It's thinner than the slime.
Yeah, about a teaspoon. You can see that. All right, and you're going to mix it until it's a really funny looking paste.
It's funny.
Right, you're going to keep mixing it until it's a thick paste.
It's paste.
Yeah, it's almost like paste. It's almost like paste.
How about turmeric?
I put it in there already. This one's yours. I put yours in there already.
And this one's hers.
Yes. All right. So I put there was a little bit more red in there than the moringa, but a lot of times if I don't, I'll use spirulina.
Okay.
Also, that is another substitution for the moringa, or I'll put the spirulina and that together. But the powder, whatever. So those are the ingredients I always put in it. Sometimes, if I run out of super beets, it's just fine. Throw in about a quarter teaspoon of spirulina in with it. It's a much darker color, which is why we used to call it Green Goblin, because it was before we actually started adding a little of the super beet.
Mama, I have to take it.
All right. Yeah, you're going to take it right now. Okay. And here's the juice. Put it in a nice, snazzy glass.
I don't like that juice.
Which one do you want?
The orange soda one.
You want orange soda? Okay. So this is the time where they get to drink what they want. Although it is organic soda. It's not, Coca-Cola. All right, hold on. Let me go get the soda. Stay right there, guys. And let's get you
orange soda.
Orange soda. Here we go. Here we go. And this is the best I've ever. I don't know. We get this at Costco. This organic blood orange. Yum.
Yeah, it's so small.
Of course, soda period you don't drink every day, but
orange soda is brown.
It is great once in a while.
It's blood.
You need a little fizz.
It looks like blood.
It looks like blood? All right. Here we go.
Orange.
Now, you don't give them the entire teaspoon at once. No. That's going to be hard to swallow, right? So, take your time with it. You want to make sure they take it down. There you go. Now you can drink your soda, help you swallow it. Okay. Good job. A little bit more. All right. And we're almost done. All right. A little bit more. Okay. And your last one. Scrape it clean. Last one, boo-boo. Good job. That good? All rinsed out? All right, now make sure we brush your teeth and get all the green stuff out your teeth, right? All right, so Justin, you ready for yours?
No.
No? All right.
Green Goblin not healthy to me.
You mean you don't like it?
No.
Yeah, but you know what? Really doesn't matter, right? Gotta take it anyway.
Oh,
yeah. I'll tell you what, go get me a spoon.
Oh, Captain Underpants.
Captain Underpants, go get me a spoon. Yeah, so this, it's important. I mean, yeah, we give them vitamins and things like that. But when you're dealing with, those seasons where it's like a straight up epidemic where they're closing schools and things are just getting crazy. One of his teachers ended up in the hospital for weeks. I don't mess around with that.
Dead of Night.
Hey, you ready?
Thank you, Dead of Night.
Here, put this in there.
Okay.
There you go. No? All right. Now we're going to add your... Yes, we're going to add your teaspoon.
Wait, turmeric.
It's in there. It's in there already. All right, yeah. All right. Now I'm just going to mix it up for you, okay?
Oh, poop.
Yeah. No, this one doesn't look like poop.
Poo.
It looks like food? No.
It's poo.
All right. Here we go. So you want juice, right? This one's yours. You want the fancy glass. You want a little cranberry juice. That's fine.
Fencer, my fencer.
There you go. Open your mouth. And don't put it all over your lips either. Uh-oh. Are you trying not to? Alright, go ahead. Drink some juice. Because we got more to get down.
My nose.
There you go.
My fencer.
Yummy, yummy. Now, my 14-year-old, she's not doing this. She can actually take the pills. But as far as the Super Beets, I make her add that to her water. This is great stuff. I mean, it doesn't give you like a rush or anything when you actually take a full dose of it. Now this is, what I'm giving them is more of a therapeutic, everyday dose. It's not going to give them some, major burst of energy or anything like that, but it is going to keep their immune system working. Here. There you go. Drink your juice. She'll take the pill form of this. I have the pill forms of the moringa.
You don't have porn film.
Yeah, you can't take the pills yet. Although, there are some kids that do have to take pills.
If you don't have porn film.
Here. What are you talking about, silly? Alright, finish that up. And then I'll go over some of the other things that I give my 14-year-old just to help her maintain, because she has weathered this storm. Thank goodness. She's knocked on every piece of wood in this house. Granted, whatever they allow you, that works. She's been doing really good and avoiding it while everyone around her is just dropping just having a really rough time with this flu season. But she's been doing really great, thank goodness. All right, so how was that? Was it good?
No.
It was tolerable, though. You got it down. Your face didn't crack, so that's a good thing. All right,
I need a flashlight.
You need a flashlight? Okay. Give me a kiss. Take your flashlight and get ready for bed.
Okay.
All right. So, let me know if you try it. It's gonna help. It's gonna boost your immune system. In a therapeutic way. You're not going to get some, crazy rush on your kids where they're not going to be sleeping at night. I just find that it's better to do these things at night because sometimes it makes them want to pee a lot. And the last thing I want at school is them have an accident because they have to go to the bathroom several times because it's a lot. Or how you take a vitamin sometimes and it's just like now you have to pee like crazy because of all the extra vitamins that's coming through. See, it's bedtime already right there. So that's what's going to happen. I just want to avoid that. So anything extra I give the kids, like vitamins or this green goblin that is there to try to fight sickness off. I give it to them, at night. So if you're dealing with small kids that's still wearing pull-ups to school, still I would be concerned about that. You don't want them, people have to change their pamper too many times or whatever because it is going to give them that boost. But the more they take it, the less you have that problem. When they were much younger, I used to worry about that a lot more. But if they're taking a vitamin, especially, now this season, they're taking their vitamin and they're taking their little extra power boosts, keep their systems clean. Then, I do make sure, make sure you feel like you got to go again, even though the whole class went together, make sure you're telling your teacher, I need to go. All right, so there you go. And let me know if you try it. Let me know what you guys do to ward off evil during these heavy bug seasons where people are getting, stomach bugs and flu and all this stuff. So I do just have to, let you know it is gonna work. Then again, anything that you really do on a consistent basis in a better way is gonna work. It's gonna help, So just start now. Don't wait till they get sick to try to heal them. It's always best to do it before they get sick. You have a better chance of shortening the length of the flu, warding it off, if you try early. So there you have it. Keep me posted. If there's any other videos that you want to see, I will be posting a few more of the nutritional things that I do with my competitive gymnast, and then what I do with my infant. Well, he's not really because he'll be 2, so he's a toddler, I guess. All right, so you guys have a wonderful night and stay healthy, stay away from germs. All right, bye.